Okay, class. So today we will continue with transformations. The type of transformation that I will be working on today is called a reflection. Okay? Reflection, the best example of a reflection will be when you look at yourself in the mirror. Okay? That's a reflection. Now, we will continue using the vocabulary from yesterday, which one of them was pre-image and the other one was image. So when we're talking about a reflection, let's say that you're looking at yourself in the mirror. You will be the pre-image, because pre-image means before the change. And what you see on the mirror, that is the image, because that is the reflection. That's after the change. Okay? So I know that it sounds confusing, but after I do this example, you will understand. Look at my screen. I will be reading what's in red first. Reflect triangle ABC over the x-axis. Now, notice the rule is very simple. The x stays the same and the y changes. You're going to see that in a minute, okay? So let me begin by identifying my line of reflection. It tells me that the x-axis is the line of reflection. So what I will do to make it easier is I will go ahead and highlight in red. I highlighted in red my line of reflection. So now let me go ahead and use a pencil. I'm going to use the color red so you can continue to see what I'm doing. So notice that A is 2 units up from my line of reflection. New A will be 2 units down because it's reflecting. So instead of 2 up, I go 2 down, and that is new A. That becomes new A. All right? So let's go to B now. B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units up. So new B will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units down. I'm sorry. Yeah, 6 units up, so 6 units down. I actually made a mistake. It's 6 units down. So it should be right there. So that will be new B. Okay? C is 1, 2, 3, 4 units up. So new C will be 1, 2, 3, 4 units down. That's new C. Okay? So now if I connect the dots, you will notice that that is the same triangle. It was just reflected. Okay? So look at, I'm only listing one coordinate. Okay? Look at new A here, right there. Look at new A, at the coordinate for new A. The original, the pre-image was 3, 2. Notice what happened. The 2 changes sign. So that's the rule. When you reflect on the x-axis, the y, the opposite letter, the y changes signs. Okay? So now let me use a different color. Let me go back to the highlighter. I will be using blue this time. Okay? So now what I want to show you is what happens when you reflect on the y-axis, okay? Look at my next question. Reflect triangle ABC over the y-axis, okay? Notice that the y-axis is here. That's the y-axis, okay? So now let me go back over there. Use my pencil. I will be using color blue this time. Okay. So notice, because I'm reflecting on the vertical line now on the y-axis, my triangle will end up being on my left side. So from my line of reflection, A is 2 units, it's 3 units to the right. So new A will be 3 units to the left. 1, 2, 3. So that becomes new A. Okay. B is 1, 2, 3, 4 units to the 4 units to the right. So new B will be 1, 2, 3, 4 units to the left. Okay, and I believe I made, yeah, it's 4 units to the left. That was correct. So that is new B. And then new C, C is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units to the right. So it'll be 6 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that becomes new C. Again, you connect the triangles. Notice that it's the same triangle. It was just reflected on the y-axis. Okay, now again, look at my coordinate. I'm only listing one coordinate, but if you look at my coordinate here, My coordinate is 3 comma negative 2. Notice that this time what changed, because I'm reflecting on the y-axis, my opposite letter was the one that changed. So the x changes to negative 3. Okay. If you have any questions, I suggest that you visit your teachers during those virtual office hours. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.